Welcome back to the channel. I'm here to unbox this Smith & Wesson MMP 15, aka NAR 15, but it's done by Smith & Wesson. And this is the MMP Sport 3. And I got it today, and obviously it's unloaded. This is what's come in the box. Magazine. Nobody used these. Locks. A sticker. And all this. So this MMP, I was looking up on it for the past few weeks, and I tell myself, let me get this. I remember in the past I used to shoot the Ruger, but now I'm giving this MMP a try. It's 16 inches, 1/8 twist, and it's a mid-length gas system, and it's a 30+1 round hole in the magazine. As you can see, you can add your rails right here, and it's a good bang for your buck. I wish they could have done something better with the butt stop, but not too heavy. It's pretty light. Not sure about the weight right now, but the next time you see this, I'm gonna have a light on it, maybe a sling. I'll see what I'm gonna do to it, and then I'll shoot it and tell you guys how good it should. I mean, so far everything really look intact, and I'm loving the grill right here. I really do. So at least when the gun is getting hot, when you're shooting, you have this to protect your hand. But even this is gonna get hot too, so maybe, it all depends on how much you're shooting at the range. How much round you're gonna be shooting at the range. Very nice sound. Yeah, so this don't have the big MMP on it anymore. It just have the Smith & Wesson and the model 15. Right now, it's unsafe. Like, yeah, I think I did good with this purchase, and I'll let you guys know I will shoot at the range, and I'm gonna enjoy it. And this could be a nice home defense gun with the others I have here, and I love the feel. Think I like it. Gotta take it off, see? Let's seal the wall. Wow. The wall is closed. Very good. Good bang for the buck. And as I say, next time you see this, it will be at the range. We'll be doing good stuff with this. Good stuff. And thanks for watching. And I'll give you more update on this when I put more stuff. More as I say, I'm gonna put some more furnitures in here, so to speak, to make it look ready. All right, thank you for watching.